Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to can we small the taskbar. Here you see a taskbar has bigger. We can how to we can we small it. It's very too small this taskbar. First right click in taskbar. Then here you see taskbar settings. Click on it. Then here you see taskbar setting is open. Then here you see use small taskbar button. Click on it. And here you see small taskbar has open it. That's it. It's very easy to small the taskbar. I will show you how to big. Then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment. Subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.